Good people, happy birthday to me. Today is my birthday. I'm waking up right now and there is so much that I need to do today, and I think it's time for me to wake up, go shower, then go for breakfast like immediately. But today is my birthday and I feel so good. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Maybe I'll do a proper intro when I'm now fresh, but I'm still in bed and it's my birthday. When I was born I didn't have any makeup, so this is how I looked like. Yeah, I looked exactly like this. I thank God for this day. I thank God for the gift of life. I thank God for just giving me the good health. I thank God for every single thing like He has done to me, and I'm so grateful. Thank you so much for you who's watching this, for being so supportive and for just watching my videos from start to finish. I think I'm repeating myself, but allow me to do that because it's my birthday. It's my birthday and let's get started. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. There's a spoon right next to the camera. What the hell? Good people, it's time for breakfast and I've decided to wear something pretty, like very, very long. Like a very, very long dress. Yes, I happen to have long dresses. It's just that I don't wear them a lot. But I'm wearing a white long dress. Let me show you. So I am ready for breakfast. It's my birthday. Good people, my breakfast is coming, and then the waiter who came to ask for my order, he's like, where are you from? I'm like, I'm from Nairobi, Kenya. Oh, and then he's like, oh my goodness, I know Nairobi because of Nairobi money heist. I'm like, yeah, and we all felt bad when Nairobi died, but yeah. Then we started having conversation about money heist. Yeah, but I'm having something different that I've never had. It's called the Middle Eastern, I don't know what. Breakfast is here. There are quite a number of things. These sauces that I'm seeing, like 3 of them. I just needed bacon because I love bacon. I still have my fruits. And then there's this. Now this is the Middle Eastern breakfast. Yep. Maybe I can take a better picture. Yep. But I'm ready to dig deep. I'm going to try. I don't even know what this is, but it's good to try new things on your birthday. Yeah, so let's do this.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
That breakfast was super heavy, and I don't know. I don't think I'll even be able to take lunch. But right now I've changed. I have my favorite swimming suit. This is my favorite cover up as well. I was given by my cousin. One of my cousin back in the days. I think this one has lasted for quite some time. Like I've owned this for over 3 years now. I'm going to swim for only 45 minutes because I have an appointment with the hotel. Can you imagine? Grace people, I'm back in my room and it smells so fresh. Like these people have cleaned this place really. Like it's just smelling good. When something is fresh, like it smells so good. Anyway, I'm here. I only have 15 minutes to change, to dry my hair, and then I can go. Yes, my hair. So I'm here for my massage, and I met Ariana Grande. Who's doing my massage? Yes. And You're saying this, what's this?
This is oil. This oil for massage. This is lavender. And this is rosemary.
Oh, so this is lavender, this is rosemary. So this is what we're going to use. So anyway. There's no better way to spend a birthday than coming for a good massage. So here I am, good people.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. For you in the morning, I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. Turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight.
I'm done with my massage. Oh my goodness, like the massage and facial, like it's amazing. I feel like my body is just so good now, right now. I'm so sleepy. I want to go and sleep. And then my face is also very fresh, which is a good thing. And I love everything. Like, oh my goodness, it's been 1 hour, almost 2 hours now. So I'm going to my room. I think I'm going to sleep. I just need to change, wear something, go to my room. I will sleep, you know.
Thank you so much.
Thank you too. So guys, I'm up. Like, I came here and I slept like a baby. I mean, the sleep was just amazing. The massage was good. Like, that lady, she's from Bali and she's just amazing. She's amazing, and I was able to just enjoy my sleep after. When you go for facial, there's usually a stage whereby you feel some pain. On this one, like with this lady, I didn't feel anything. In fact, I was just getting sleepy the more she was doing the stuff on my face, like doing whatever it was. And yeah, I think you guys saw on the video, but it was just so awesome. Like, guys, I really enjoyed it. And now it's around 7 and I want to go for dinner, and today I want to have something different because it's my birthday and it doesn't hurt to try something new. Like, I don't want to go for the usual that I usually eat in Nairobi, so I'm going to try something different that, yeah, maybe we'll see when I get there. Yes guys, so my food is here and I'm going to enjoy it.
I'm not the girl that I used to be. Sometimes I'm more than words. I'm beyond what I once was. I don't believe in love it. Hey, hey. If I want something, I got it. Hey, hey. Oh baby, I don't need love me. Hey, hey. Cause I love I cannot buy it. Wasn't real with you, boy. Real, wasn't real with you, boy. You won't give me too much chances. I don't care, I'm fine, I'm fancy brighter. Yeah, yeah, oh boy, I'm telling goodbye, yeah, oh
Thank you very much for this. I wish I knew I would have just left my camera there, but it's fine. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate. Which cake is this?
It's thick cake.
Thank you so much. I appreciate. Thank you. So great people, this is an amazing surprise. I didn't expect it to happen at all, but I'm so happy. I won't talk much because of the music in the background, so yeah, but I'm super happy. We'll meet in my room, right? Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much for all your birthday wishes. I'm back where it all started and I really do appreciate you all. My camera is blinking right now, like my buds are blinking, meaning I need to, you know, stop this video here. But I'm really grateful for this birthday. I've really enjoyed my day. My advice to you who's watching me right now is to just try and appreciate yourself each and every year, because if there's one thing in this life that is very, very important is yourself and how you treat yourself. Everyone who subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. If you're watching this and you've gotten here and you haven't subscribed, kindly do. And I think until next time, kisses to you.